ETF provides many of the tools that governors, that practitioners, that senior leaders need in order to help them to take that next step in creating that inclusive culture. The Association of Colleges has the ability to bring those organisations together at a national level, at a regional level, and to then share those insights much more widely. The equity, diversity and inclusion agenda is so wide that it's impossible for one organisation to be the total resource available. And it's really important that organisations like World Skills UK, AOC and ETF work together. It was clear that what we needed to do was not just to simply develop the individuals and to help them to feel confident and competent. It was actually challenging them to make an impact. Having done the leadership program, leaders in colleges are now extending that through their staff.
Starting off a lecturer now to where I am in the last 18 months, it's just been really amazing. It was really fundamental, and the starting point was getting that support with ETF and the training programs. It's about how you look at your own perceptions and when it comes to equality and diversity, and how you can change and be a game changer in your own sector.
The programme has made me rethink how I approach inclusion. The more learners we can get through qualifications, the more of them that we can get job ready, the better.
Honestly, it means everything. This is the very first programme that I created in 2019 when I joined ETF, and it's been a real privilege to be a part of it, see its evolution, so I'm really, really pleased. It's about being inclusive. It's about helping everyone that wants to move along the leadership talent pipeline, give them the opportunity to do so. Driving changes in curriculum can really have an impact on young people, so they feel they belong in society. They feel that who they are as a heritage is reflected in what they're learning. When you get diversity, when you get equity, where it's about being impartial, when you get inclusiveness, you always get success.
I think we have the momentum to really make an impact on the inclusion agenda within further education.